Hey everyone, and welcome to the Tesla Daily Investor. It's the 21st of February 2025, and it's about 8:20 here in the UK, and I'm about to invest another £300 into the stock market. For anyone who's new to the channel, what I do is I try to invest £300 into the stock market every day. My goal is to build my portfolio to $1 million, and I plan to buy three companies, which are Tesla, MicroStrategy, and NVIDIA. My investment horizon is between 5 and 10 years. So anything that I buy, I will not sell for the next 5 years. I'll keep it. Previously, when I did invest in good companies like Tesla, MicroStrategy, and NVIDIA, what I used to do is I used to buy and sell. I used to trade instead of invest. And what happened was I made a profit here, a loss there, but nothing really significant. I didn't really build any significant wealth. So once I realized I'm not really a good trader, I focused on becoming a long-term investor. I did a lot of research in Tesla, MicroStrategy, and NVIDIA, and I believed in the company's future, and now I'm betting heavily on these companies. So what I do is I buy £300 worth of Tesla, MicroStrategy, and NVIDIA, and what I do is I purchase it through my individual savings account, which is an ISA in the UK. So every year, every UK citizen gets a £20,000 ISA allowance. So any investment that you make within that 20 up to £20,000, any gains that you make will be exempt from taxes. So what I do is I try to invest £20,000 every year into my ISA. Anything above that, I try to put into my SIP, which is a self-invested personal pension plan. And when I do contribute to that, I get tax relief from the government at 20%. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be purchasing Tesla. But before I do that, let's have a look at my portfolio. So today, the portfolio has gone down quite significantly. The general investment account is around 80,000. At its peak, it was around 120,000. The stocks and shares ISA has gone down as well to under 13,000, and the self-invested personal pension is just over 900. So let's have a look what's been happening. So we'll go and check Tesla first. So today Tesla is down around 5.14%, and it's trading at $336. So what I'm going to do, I'm not too concerned. Again, like I keep on saying, I'm not too concerned about short-term fluctuations. If I look at today, it's down 5%. Last 7 days, it's down 5%. Last month, down 20%. Last 3 months, it's flat. Last 6 months, up nearly 60%. Last year, up nearly 71%, and maximum it's up about 505%. So you got to be able to deal with this volatility and fluctuation if you buy a company like Tesla. If you believe in the company's future, this is just noise. This is just short-term fluctuation. So in the past, I would have probably panicked and sold it, but now I'm firmly thinking about the long-term goal, which is to build my $1 million portfolio. And I know that my price target, Tesla will rise, and my price target for Tesla is $1,000. So I'm going to quickly buy that now. So I'm going to buy £210 worth of Tesla. So I'm going to review the order, put the order through, sending the order. Hopefully it's going to go through on time today. Okay, so that buy order is complete at £209. So that is done. Next stock that I'm going to buy within my ISA is MicroStrategy. So let's have a look at MicroStrategy. Again, it's down about 6.2%. So I'm not too concerned at all. I'm thinking I'm going to get I'm getting a bargain at the moment, because most of MicroStrategy's holdings is in Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin does rise in the future, as I believe it will do, MicroStrategy will rise. My price target for MicroStrategy is $1,000. within 5 years. So again, if the price stays between at this level, then I can be purchasing more. So one day price movement is down 6% at $304. 7 days price movement is around down 8%. 1 month down around 21%. 3 months down 25%. 6 months up 107%. So if you zoom out, you can see that this is a very good way to like see what you can expect, what kind of volatility you can expect. There's no guarantee that this will go to a 1000 in 5 years, obviously, but you have to expect the volatility in stocks like these, and you have to be able to handle it in your mind. Like, don't get concerned about the short-term volatility. Know your price target, believe in the company, believe in its values, and as long as that doesn't change, just keep on buying the stock, and hopefully it's going to go up in the future. So I'm going to be buying £60 of MicroStrategy. So I'm reviewing the order and I'm confirming the buy. Okay, so that's the MicroStrategy buy complete. So that's done. And now finally I'm going to be buying NVIDIA. Again, NVIDIA is a great company, one of the best chip makers. They're one of the largest companies in the world. Let's have a look at how it's doing today. So today it's down around 3.5%. Last 7 days, flat. Last month down about 8%. Last 3 months flat. Last 6 months up about 6.97%. Last year up 72%. Maximum up nearly 1900%. So again, if you zoom out, you'll be able to see how these companies can grow very quickly. So that's why I've got a 5-year investment horizon. So I'm gonna buy NVIDIA now, and I'm gonna be buying £30 worth of NVIDIA. The reason I'm buying it in this order is my greatest conviction lies in Tesla, then MicroStrategy, and then NVIDIA. So that's my investment done for the day. It's a down day in the market. Sometimes I used to get depressed about this, and then I used to just forget investing, forget investing regularly. And then when there was an up day or something, I used to invest more money. But if you think about it, the best time to invest long term is when you have a down day in the market. So you can buy these quality stocks at lower prices. So what I used to do in the past was buy good companies at the higher price and then kind of like sell them at the lower. So it was a recipe for disaster. So hopefully my mindset has changed now. I've got my investment horizon locked in. I believe in these 3 stocks, and I really think that all of these stocks are going to 3-4x in the future, at least in 5 years time. So my aim is to do this continuously for as long as I can, and then hopefully I'm going to be able to hit my £1 million portfolio. So if you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions at all, just put them down in the comments and I will answer them in detail. So yeah, so feel free to do that, and feel free to join me in my journey. And I've got around 1,000 subscribers now. I'm getting new subscribers every day, so my aim is to hit the 2,000 subscriber levels by the end of this year. So if you subscribe, join me on my journey, and see if you can invest like this as well. Even if it doesn't have to be £300 every day. If you can just invest £1 every day, and do some research on the companies, find some companies, find a fund that you believe in, and invest every day and get the habit going, and then slowly you can like snowball that into something big and a really big portfolio. So I'm not going to go on anymore. So I will catch you on Monday, and I wish you have an excellent weekend. Take care. Bye.